Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make no-cook Play-Doh. Let's go. So, very easy. All you need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of cold water, and some food colouring. Okay, prepare to get your hands a bit messy. So the great thing about this recipe is that because it's no cook, you're not anywhere near the stove, so the children can join in with you, although I'm not sure how they'll feel about blue fingers or whatever colour you choose. Okay, so you just mix it all together. Obviously, if you need it, if it's a bit sticky, add a bit more flour, and if it's not wet enough, you add some more water. Look at that lovely blue. Okay, so I'm going to put some flour on my kitchen surface. It might be a bit sticky. Okay, let's have a look. See how we go. I think a bit more flour is needed. Okay, now unlike the other Play-Doh recipes I've shared with you, this obviously hasn't got cream of tartar in it, so it will not last for months on end, but it will last you a few weeks if you keep it in the fridge. There you go. There is your no-cook Play-Doh. How easy is that? So super easy, and the children can help you. Now remember, do keep it in the fridge in an airtight container, but again, it won't last as long as the recipes I've previously shared with you, but still works well. Enjoy!